Now here is a 2, and from this 2 we are making a duck. A duck can swing and float over water, so this duck is over water. Now we draw a picture of a bird with a worm in her beak. So we have drawn a worm in the beak of this bird. This bird is sitting on a branch of a tree. So we are drawing the branch as well. Now we move to the final picture in this video. This is a picture of a pair of birds. So this is very lovely, and the body of the birds have been drawn using 2 heart shapes. You can see that. And finally we can color it. Now we draw a circle, and from that circle we make a chick. And this chick is having her breakfast. What is her breakfast? A worm, exactly. So we have drawn it, and we can color it. We use yellow color for the chick.